Hey, this is Miss Shep, owner and creator of Oils and Bar Soaps. Welcome back, beautiful people. Watch me while I make this soap made with oat milk and real raspberries. Check her out.
Oil and bars.
Oils in bars.
Oils and bars.
Oils and bars.
I'm excited here. I'm gonna go take a shower now.
Oils and bars. Yeah. Okay, so safety first before measuring out my lye solution, distilled water, and food grade sodium hydroxide. And then I measured out my shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil. And then I brought all that together, mixed it by hand first. Okay, so see, at this point, this is soap. I can pour it in my molds and have soap, but I have to make it better. So I add Nature's Miracle for dry, itchy skin oat milk. And this video is brought to you by Oils and Bars Soaps. Oils and Bars oat milk and cucumber soaps are made with real cucumber and oat milk. Help to moisturize and hydrate your skin while cleansing and tightening your pores with Oils and Bars cucumber oat milk soaps today.
Get with the program. I love her soap.
Now I know y'all see the color changes the raspberries did when I added it to my soap base. The science of it all, y'all. Okay, look, it turned to a dark blue, then it turned green, but thank God it went back to red. So let's talk about how dope raspberries are for our skin. Raspberries help to fight premature aging on our skin. Raspberries nourish dry skin and soothes eczema. Okay, and now oat milk also helps to fight against eczema. So raspberries fight against eczema and oat milk, so you're getting double the benefit. Okay, if you haven't already, please support me by subscribing and following to my channels and contents, and leave a comment on your thoughts about the color changing of the raspberry soap. Thank you for watching.